Today I am going to teach you chapter number 22 of class 6, and that is direct and indirect speech. Please read. In my previous video I told you about direct speech, how direct speech, what method rules we should follow in direct speech, and today I am going to tell you something about it, how we will change direct speech into indirect speech. Direct indirect speech. Okay. So in indirect speech, the words spoken by somebody are reported with a few changes. Indirect speech. Okay, in direct speech we are we read actual words of the speaker, but in direct speech we have to make few changes, otherwise it would be wrong. So now in direct speech, in indirect speech, the words spoken by the speaker are reported with few changes, and you have to keep these in your mind while you are going to change direct speech into indirect speech. So be very careful, okay, and follow all the rules. Let me take you one example. The teacher said, "Show me your work." This is, as I told you, this is direct speech. This is remoting word, and actual words which we put under inverted comma. These are called reported speech. Okay, these words are called reported speech, and this is called reporting verb. Okay. So now let me tell you one example. The teacher said to mom, "Mama, to separate reporting verb and reported speech, we put comma, and actual words of the speaker we put inverted commas." The tailor said to mom, I will deliver the dress. So this is reporting verb, this is reported speech, this is subject of reporting verb, this is verb, and this is object of reporting verb. Okay, student. After said, if to and any name of the person or any person is given, it means it is object of the verb. So now we are going to change. Be very careful. After said object is given, said will change into told. Now tailor said to will become told. That tailor said to will change into told. Why said to will change into told? Because object is given. The tailor told mom. Now this is reporting verb. This is reported speech. We will use connecting that. The tailor told mom that I is first person. I is first person. First person pronoun will change according to the subject. First person pronoun will change according to the subject. What is subject? Tailor. For tailor we will use pronoun he. Will. Past tense. Will change into past and become would. Okay, so all these things keep it in mind, and I am going to change this direct speech into indirect speech. The tailor told mom. We will use that, and we will remove this comma and inverted comma. Okay, because these are not actual words of the speaker. That is why we are removing commas from here and using that instead of comma. Okay, the tailor told mom that I is first person pronoun. It will change according to subject. The tailor is subject. I will become he. Will would become in would. He would deliver the rest. Else will be small letter. The tailor said told whom that he would deliver the rest. The tailor told mom that he would deliver the dress. What changes we have made? So I has become he. We have used that. You cannot use these two speeches. This is speech to reporting verb. To connect, we have to use that. The tailor told mom that he will change into would. The rest will be the same. Deliver the dress. Deliver the dress. The tailor told mom that he would deliver the dress. This is indirect speech. This is direct speech, this is indirect speech. Okay. Reporting verb will change into say, tell, guide, shout. Explain, explain, offer, request, inquire. So, at the place of said, we can use cry, shout, explain, offer, request, inquire. It will depend upon the actual words of the speaker, what sense we are getting after reading the actual words of the speaker. So according to that sense, we would change reporting verb in these words. We would replace reporting verb with these words. Okay, student. Now let me solve for you exercise number B in PDF format. I will make you understand, and then I will rest part of this chapter I will tell you tomorrow. Okay, this is exercise. Rewrite the sentences in indirect speech by using the reporting verb given in the brackets. My brother said to me, "You have broken my racket, now complain." Now, said is actually in past tense, so we would change complain into complained. So, now how it can be? My brother complained to me. Okay, my brother complained to me that I had broken his racket. Now, you actually, can you tell me how you has become I? Because you will change according to the object of the word. So, me is there, so you will become I, and past tense of have is had. So, I had broken. Now, my, this is my is thought. My is possessive adjective, so possessive adjective will change according to the my brother, so my will change into his racket. Okay. Second, she said, this is how a gift should be packed. Explain is given here, so we will replace said with explain. What would be the sentence? She explained how gift should be packed. This is would be removed from here. How a gift should be packed. Sentence number third. The tailor said to me. Said to will change into told. The tailor told mom. We will remove inverted commas from here, and we will write the tailor told mom that I would become he according to the tailor. He would deliver the dress. Okay, sentence number 4. We have to use offer to at the place of said. I offered to share my book with Raman. Okay, with Raman. I offered to share my book with Raman. I can, we will remove I can because it should not be repeated. Please share the seat with me, said the sick man. So reporting verb is coming after the reported speech. So we will write first the sick man requested, because please is given in reported speech, so we will use requested. The sick man requested me to share the seat with him. To share the seat with him. Actually, in before imperative sentence, we will use to as a connective. Okay, so the sentence would be like the sick man requested me. The sick man requested me to share the seat with him. Actually, this exercise I will send you in PDF format, and you have to complete this exercise. Okay, thank you, goodbye.